Axe API supports many different databases. You can set the configurations by the database you use. In this video, we are going to show how you can set up a MySQL connection. You can apply similar things in your own database selection as well. First, you need to create a database schema. Then you need to install the correct database adapter to create a connection. In our example, we are going to install the MySQL adapter. You can find the correct adapter for your database in the Knex.js documentation. After the installation, you should edit the .env file on the root directory. The database connection information should be filled in correctly. Once you set the configuration file, you can execute the application. It should be working fine if all configurations are correct.